Let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Mix your cornstarch and flour together. Remember that for every 2 scoops of flour, add only 1 scoop of cornstarch. Then add a pinch of salt and pepper. Next, add your beer. We use the brand Red Horse. Mix well. Don't forget to add 1 egg. Mix again, until the consistency looks like this. Once your batter is done, pat dry your fish on a paper towel. On one side, season your fish with salt and pepper. Once you're done, first, coat your fish in flour. Then to your beer batter. Afterwards, fry your fish in hot oil. Leave until golden brown, or until it looks like this. This is how you make tartar sauce. First, chop up some garlic. Then dice your pickles to desired size. Also chop your parsley. And lastly your lemon. In a bowl of mayonnaise, add your pepper. And some salt. Drop in your garlic, pickles, parsley, and lastly your lemon. Mix everything well. Assemble everything together and you are now ready to enjoy our delicious homemade fish and chips.
Yum, so delicious.